All right, so this is my base paste. I developed this for the screen art, but also I've been using in my canvas project, in my wood, and any place that I'm doing art that I would like to create texture. If you can see, the consistency is really, really wonderful and easy to work with. It can mix with any color. So let's see some examples of some of the things I did. So over here, you can see my work on the screen, how I shape the flowers so it can look heavy and take a look. It just really pops. And then another screen one, you can see how it smooths and goes and flats and blocks whatever it needs to be blocked so when the painting comes, it can show through. In the finalize here, how you can see in the canvas, how smooth this texture is. I think you're going to really enjoy using this base paste as your own texture in your artwork and what wonderful things that you're going to create.